तो ऐसा बोलना कि now I would hand it over to Kanishka blah blah blah, ऐसा बोल देना उसको. फिर
Okay.
Kanishka टेक ओवर करेगी और vote of thanks.
मैं end कर दूं.
Okay, done.
Sonam ma'am's also here. And Justina, just send a reminder to all the teachers now in case. The teachers that are at home.
मैं फोन से मीट ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ वाला.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm doing it.
Okay.
So guys,
Hello.
yeah, are you all still arranging it, or should I join after 5 minutes?
It's fine if you want to join after 5 minutes, ma'am. We will take another 1 or 2 minutes to start.
Yeah. I can totally understand. Just do it. I'll join after 5 minutes. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. No problem.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
I guess Vikas sir has joined, like there are teachers sitting there in the background.
विकास सर का कहाँ पे है?
Screen चालू है, देख कैमरा चालू है, वहाँ पे सब teachers बैठे हैं. There's Yogesh sir,
That
there's
is
Ritu ma'am, there's
Rich.
Jyoti ma'am. अरे Dimple.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Yeah.
I'll text you on the chat. Just check
Yeah.
there. Yogesh sir का मुझे अभी याद आया.
Vikas sir, is Vikas sir here? Are we good to go?
We'll have to wait for a few minutes.
Okay, sure.
2:10 2:15 को चालू करना पड़ेगा.
एक सेकेंड ना. Yes, Dimple. You can. We wait for 2-3 minutes more.
So we're just waiting for 2 minutes. A few professors at home, they might be joining. So
We'll wait for another 5 minutes and
Yeah.
then we will start. Okay.
Dimple, except
Yes.
mom, I guess it is Abdul sir. He's saying he's in the waiting lobby.
Okay, sure. 1 second. Abdul sir. Yes, I have admitted.
Is Omkar sir and Pradeep sir in? Like I'll have to call them.
Yes, please do.
So Dimple, the teachers who are present in this room now,
Yes.
they will join through only this one meeting only.
Device. Correct.
Yeah. And about the quiz and all those things, so I will make their entry through the chat box. Okay?
Sure.
All of you will please.
No problem. Or they can just answer as well. That is also not an issue. Like,
Yeah, okay.
if you just want to give an answer by
ठीक है
themselves.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Kanishka, can you drop a message to Sona ma'am also that we're starting?
Yeah, sure.
Am I audible? Dimple,
Yes,
Yes.
just tell me when to.
I think we can begin. Vikas sir, can we start?
You are waiting for whom? You are waiting for whom?
We were waiting for a few more professors to join.
Yeah, because there are only 19 people in the meeting. I mean, apart from the faculty.
Yeah,
many?
listen. There's 27
19
people in the meeting.
apart from faculty.
Yeah, apart from faculties, there's only 19.
Guys, एक बार आप लोगों ने group कर दो please.
You can do one thing. Wait for 2 minutes and then start. Okay?
Okay.
Next another 2 minutes and then we will start.
Dimple,
Yes, Omkar sir has come as well.
Sona ma'am is coming in 2 minutes.
Sure.
So Virani sir and Kutya ma'am are in some exam, so they'll join in a bit. And
Okay,
Pradeep sir, I guess he's in a meeting.
Okay, so I
Uh,
think we can begin. I think we can just start with, the Saraswati Vandana,
Yes, yes,
Guru
Okay.
Brahma and everything, and then we'll continue. Yeah, sure. Rajdeep, would you like to start?
Yeah, sure. Just a minute. Yeah, okay. I'll start now. Good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Rajdeep Mehta from SYBMMC, and I welcome you all today in this special program on this wonderful day. Firstly, I would like to wish our teachers a happy Teachers' Day as we start off with our celebration. It is a privilege for me to be an anchor for the day and giving me and us all an opportunity to show you all our gratitude that we carry in our hearts. It is definitely not easy being a teacher, and I just do not say this for the sake of it. But I myself have noticed my lecturers struggling day and night to keep their classes in order and trying to cope up with students every year. From collecting our assignments and attending our lectures, whatever you do, you never back down from your work or educating us. With that being said, I do not want to bore you all with my words, so we shall get going with our performances and students that have taken part in it. First off, we have Dimple Malhotra singing Guru Brahma for all of us and begin this event with some sweet melody. Dimple, you may go ahead.
Hello, good afternoon to everybody. I'd just like to say that as a tribute to all of the teachers and all of their contribution in our life, I'd like to sing the Guru Vandana. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you.
That was amazing, Dimple. You surely have shown us that your love towards your teachers is impeccable. That was a very sweet song you sang. And now I would like to thank her. And I also have a question for all of you. Does anyone here know who Sarvapali Radhakrishnan is, or who he was? Anyone? Teachers or students? No one? Well, to answer my own question, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. Apart from that, he was an Indian academic, a professor, a philosopher, a politician as well. Born on 5th of September 1888 in Tirutani, that comes in Tamil Nadu. And now I would like to speak about his achievements in his whole career. In total, he has won 5 awards: Bharat Ratna, Templeton Prize, Order of Merit, Peace Prize of the German Book, lastly, the Order of Aztec Eagle. It is on his birthday that Teachers' Day is celebrated in India. On September 5th, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be the best minds in country. He said this once: instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud and privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day. A teacher is a very important person in anyone's life, like no matter what type of gender, shape, or person they may be. A teacher not only passes on their knowledge to us, but looks forward for our betterment. Whatever you wish to do or learn, no matter whatever it is, even if it's the simplest thing or a simple technique, for suppose like to hold a spoon on a table, you need someone to show you the right way so that you can pass on the very wisdom to the next person you come across. Yes, they scold us for our mistakes, make us do n number of assignments and those boring long mathematical sums. But if it wasn't for them, our country, you, me, wouldn't have been where we are today. I thank you all for being so awesome and hardworking at the same time. Having to leave your houses early, preparing notes, checking homeworks, going through projects, and yet we do not submit on time. Well, all I wanted to say is our dumb minds are still alive because you exist. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And now, to move forward for this lovely event, we have Nachiket Deshmukh with a poem for you. Nachiket, please go ahead.
Good morning, good afternoon to all the teachers and the students. Myself Nachiket Deshmukh from TYBMMC. So I have written a poem on teachers. I hope you like it. 5 सितंबर का वो दिन था, कुछ लोगों का उस दिन जन्मदिन था। वो टीचर्स थे हमारे जिन्हें हमारे ऊपर यकीन था। ना जाने कितनी पिटाई होती थी, बुक्स हमारी इनकम्प्लीट होती थी। मार मार के ही सही पर हमें सुधारा था। वो टीचर्स थे हमारे जिन्हें हमारे ऊपर यकीन था। बहुत बदल सा गया है माहौल, बहुत कम लोग हैं जो अपने टीचर्स को याद करते हैं। तो क्यों ना इस बार हम उनके लिए कुछ करें ताकि उनको भी मालूम पड़े हम उनकी बहुत केयर करते हैं। मदर्स डे, फादर्स डे कितने ज़ोरों ज़ोरों से सेलिब्रेट होता है, पर हम ये क्यों भूल जाते हैं कि वही मदर एंड फादर को टेंशन नहीं होता जब उनके बच्चे के साथ उनका टीचर होता है। खुद का बीपी बढ़ा के ना जाने कैसे हमें पढ़ाया है। माँ बाप से ज़्यादा उनको टेंशन होता जब एग्ज़ाम पास आता है। दिन रात हमें साथ बिठाकर हमारी पूरी पढ़ाई लेते थे। वो टीचर्स थे हमारे जो भगवान के रूप में हमारे पीछे खड़े रहते थे। वो बचपन ही क्या बचपन था जब पढ़ाई से हमें भागना था। आज जो कुछ भी बने हैं हम, उसके पीछे हमारे टीचर्स का ही हाथ था। वो टीचर्स ही थे हमारे जिन्हें हमारे ऊपर पूरा विश्वास था। थैंक यू।
That was very sweet and rhymeful, Nachiket. Very well said. It was quite good, and I think all the teachers liked it as well. So now again for a poem, I would like to call Pavitra Pandya. Pavitra, the mic is all yours. Go ahead.
Thank you so much, Rajdeep. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Pavitra Pandya. I'm currently in my second year of my BMMC class, and today I have a poem for Teachers Day today. हम कॉलेज रोज है जाते, शिक्षक हमको पाठ पढ़ाते, दिल बच्चों का कोरा कागज, उस पर ज्ञान अमीट लिखवाते, जाति धर्म पर लड़े ना कोई, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते, हमें सफलता कैसे पानी, कैसे चढ़ना शिखर बताते, सच तो ये है कॉलेजों में अच्छा एक इंसान बनाते. By this poem, I just want to thank every professor who has been teaching us this semester, this class, this year, for teaching us in such difficult circumstances. So wholeheartedly thank you and a very happy Teachers Day.
Wow, that was fantastic, Pavitra. Keep up the good work. And to be honest, I think yes, it has been a big headache for the teachers and even the professors to teach us. But I would just say hats off to them. So it's time for a small speech. Now I would like to call Justina Nandigala for our speech on teachers. Justina, all you now.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Justina from SYBMS. I'm here to give a speech on Teachers' Day. Just like every year, this year also we have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India, commemorating the anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan. As a teacher, vice president, and second president of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan made an immense contribution to the country. On this special occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes and greetings to all the teachers gathered here and to all those who have helped us attain success in our academics. As we know, it is impossible to define a teacher because not only do they teach us academics but also guide us in the walks of life. They are like a soldier, a brave, determined, and fearless leader. Our teachers have a come what may, but I will impart education attitude. Just take the example of online classes. At present, every teacher conducts online classes so that just students don't miss out anything. How amazing is that? Teachers play an important role in influencing and inspiring us. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as a role model. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of molding a child's character at each and every step. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to convey our wishes to our teachers today in recognition of their undeterred efforts. Let us take time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in elevating us. Thank you, teachers, for your invaluable efforts and guidance. I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Well, that speech was very heartwarming, Justina. And I think I speak on behalf of all the teachers when I thank you for this. I remember once Yogesh sir told me that leaders make great leaders, and that simple line always stuck in my head, and it kept me going, it kept me motivated in life. And so yeah, there are moments where they boost our ego, they motivate us when it's needed, and there are moments when they pick up a faults. So they keep us neutral, they keep us balanced, and they keep things in order, which I really appreciate about them. Now, there is a special quiz that Dimple Malhotra has prepared for you all, and I want all of you to take part in it. Dimple, please take it away.
Yes. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon to all the teachers, students, everybody present on this call. Firstly, I'd like to applaud Rajdeep for doing such a commendable job so far with the hosting and for all the participants who, did their contributions to this meet. And now for moving on with the events, I'll be your host for the upcoming short trivia games. All right, just give me 1 second and I can share my screen. So this game is especially designed only and only for teachers today. So students, please put away, please don't type the answers in the chat box, etc. Okay. Firstly, happy Teachers' Day to everybody. This is a small tribute from us by hosting this quiz. So before I begin, I'd like to say that this is probably the first time that a student is going to be quizzing teachers. So don't worry, dear sirs and ma'ams, paper easy hai. Just kidding, just kidding. First, there's MCQs for internals, and then the subjective questions. Just how y'all like it. I'm sure you're used to the pattern by now. Okay, so before I start getting negative marking for all the bad jokes, let me present to you Teachers Edition Trivia Night. Today, we are here for a role reversal. The teachers will be doing activities in the form of games that normally they'd make us do. All right, so are you ready for this, my lovely teachers? Let's get the rules out of the way first. How does it work? The game has 3 rounds, an easy, a medium, and a hard round. And participation is compulsory for all rounds. So first, can I just know that if everybody can hear me? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes? Sure. Okay. So, all right. So participation is compulsory for all the teachers. And for the teachers that are sitting in college and they're in a group, Vikasa, if you could just unmute, and if anybody wants to answer at any point of time, they can do so. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Now, each question has only one correct answer. And in the words of Rebecca ma'am, please type the answers in the chat box, dear teachers, in case you have any difficulty in switching on your mics. Participants are not allowed to use outside help of any kind. This means that this is a teacher's only game zone. So students, please do not write the answers in the chat or try to help teachers. It is not going to earn you any bonus internal marks from them. Please attend lectures for those instead. The quiz master, aka me, the decisions that I make are final and binding. And lastly, please have fun. These games are just fun games supposed to be taken lightheartedly and do not in any way measure anyone's caliber. So have fun and happy quizzing. Categories. The first section will be a yes or no round. The second one would be true and false, followed by multiple choice and fill in the blanks. Lastly, for the favorite subjective round, we have a video question. All right. Okay. So let's start with the easy round. Can everybody see my screen? Yes, is the teachers able to? Yes. Okay, fine. Perfect. So you can write the answers in the chat box, and I have a few helpers who will be telling the answers to me as well. There's Justina, Kanishka, etc. So let's begin. First question. Yes or no? Is Teachers' Day celebrated to commemorate the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan? Yes. All right, that is correct. Teachers' Day is celebrated in India on the birthday of former President Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a well-known scholar, philosopher, and teacher. Okay. Yes? True or false?
While building SRBS,
The founder had the ideology or motto for everyone with a passion.
True? How many are true?
How many, please, show of hands, how many would like to vote for true and how many for false? I'm checking the participation here, so I haven't heard the reply from Mohammed sir or
It's Kutsia ma'am and Sonam Gupta ma'am. Abdul
Yes,
sir
please,
saying
please.
true. And all the teachers there present in the college, they all also say true.
Okay. Okay. All teachers true. All right. You all are wrong because this is false. The founder of SRBS had the motto, forwarding education for everyone with a passion to learn. It's given as the first line on our college website in the About Us section. No, in the words of Pradeep sir, I'd like to say, thoda knowledge tum mujhe do, thoda main bhi deta hu. So, okay, let's move on to the next question. Next, we have the average or the medium round. So buckle up, teachers. The questions are getting a little harder. All right. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to be making you do the thing that as kids we hated the most, which was the spelling test, which was where you'd get MCQs in the form of you had to guess the correct spelling out of the options given. So we're going to be testing how much you can guess as well. So do we have answers? We have A. Sonam Gupta ma'am is laughing.
All the teachers
How
in
many
the
for
college.
A? How many for A? Can I see a show of hands for A?
A वाला
Okay. How many for B?
और A
Maybe
वाला
knowing that the spelling of accommodation is ACACCOMODATION. Right? Okay.
Dimple, it is Muazza ma'am, Mohammed sir, and Kutsia ma'am for B.
Okay. Let's see. Let us see what the answers is. The answer is B. The answer is B. There is double C and double L.
Okay, so Anand sir,
Anand sir as well, I think. There we have
Kutsia
Anand
ma'am,
sir.
Mohammed sir, and Muazza ma'am.
Yes, correct. Okay.
डबल
Right, in the words of Virani sir, I'd like to say mic चालू करके बात करो. Please chat box में मत type करो. Okay. Next one. Next spelling.
नेक्स्ट स्पेलिंग
We have mischievous. Any perks for correct answers?
एक मिनट
Sir, you get
ज्योति मैम ए और
mischievous.
मैम और योगेश सर ए ना
A?
संदीप
Yes,
सर
how
ए
many are
और
going?
कोई है
A? Okay. In the words of Mahesh sir, I'd like to say, please raise your hand for the answers for A.
विवेक सर राहुल
So Dimple,
Anand sir is Jyoti ma'am, Ritu ma'am, Yogesh sir, and Sandeep sir are for A. Yes, Justina.
Muazza ma'am is for C.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Abdul sir is for
sir
A.
for A. Muhammad sir.
Mohammed sir is
Mohammed is for C.
Okay.
Pradeep sir
There's
is for C.
some groupism going on here because everybody is having the same answers. Teachers, let's see. Let us check what the answer is and how many are right. The answer is C. It is MISCIEDOUS.
So it's Pradeep sir, Kutsia ma'am, Mohammed Virani, and Muazza ma'am. Clapping, yes ma'am, even we are clapping.
We all are too good with grammar. Yes. Who needs Grammarly when we have such teachers? All right. Okay, fine. So I think we can move on to the next question now, which is a math question, which I'm pretty sure everybody loves. So if you want any sort of extra material, that maybe even if you need calculators, you can use them. But this is fastest finger first round. So you have to tell the value of the equation given on the right. What will be the answer over here? And please don't try Googling because I have placed all these elements myself. So you're not going to find the answers anywhere. This is something you're going to have to solve. So there is a leaf, there is a heart, and there are two glasses which equal to 210. Then there are three sets of glasses which equal to 90. And then there is one set of glass and two hearts which equal to 230. So you have to find the answer to this equation given over here. Please take your time. Please take as long as you need. 160.
I can see Ritu ma'am googling there something.
But you cannot, they won't find answers on Google. I've made this myself. Ritu ma'am, 100, 160, 160. Okay.
सर 160 ना
As Moaza ma'am says, please teachers, please reply. Like how she asks us students to reply. Please.
Please reply. Okay, there's Ritu ma'am 100, Pradeep sir 100,
Yes. And then
Vikas sir 160.
Sonam Gupta ma'am 160. All right. Now can I reveal the answers? Has everybody lock kar do? Can I lock everybody's answers?
There's a sir to say.
210. एक मिनट.
हाँ. Yes, sir. Take time. Take your time.
Done, everyone?
Rahul sir 210. Okay, everybody ready for the correct answer?
Yes.
The answer is 100. The answer is 100. Okay. Now I'll explain.
अरे नहीं वो प्रदीप सर ने बोला है आंसर
अच्छा मैं बताती हूँ I'll explain कि 100 कैसे है. Ritu ma'am, would you like to give it a go since you answered correct? Or
minus.
okay. And okay. So first
माइनस की जगह में प्लस किया. That is okay. अरे बाप रे.
Okay. All right. So this is a little bit of tricky question, like you all like giving us in the exams. So the second one here, let's start by explaining. So over here, this equals to 90. That means these two glasses are one of them, a set of them is for 30, right? Then moving on to this equation, you don't have to start with the first equation. If you start with the first equation, you won't get any answer. So starting with this, if this is 30 and these two are 200, that means each heart is 100. Okay. Now 100 and 30. If you add 100 and 30 over here and you subtract it, if you add, sorry, what was I saying? Yeah. If you add 100 for a heart and 30 for a champagne glass, that becomes 140. And when you subtract 140 from 210, you get 70. So
Dimple, it's not 140, it's 130. Correct yourself. Plus 30 is 130.
Sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
100 plus 30. 100 plus 30 is 130. And when you subtract that from 210, you get 80. That means this is worth 80. So over here, there is half a heart. There is not a whole heart. That means it's 50. And you have to use BODMAS here. You cannot subtract first. You need to add this. So when you add 80 plus 50, it gives you 130. And minus 30 gives you 100. Is that clear? I'm sorry, I'm not a teacher, so I'm not able to explain it as good as some. Thank you, Sonam ma'am. Okay, I hope that Dimple again. Okay, let's move on to the last round, which is the difficult one. Yes, is everybody ready for the subjective round? Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now this is a video question which I will be playing, and it is a brain teaser. And if you had, because has your LC ready? Yes. Okay. Yes. So I will be playing it from the beginning, and it is a short 20-second video. I'll be playing it twice, and I'll be giving you all time for 5-10 minutes to maybe see if you can answer it. All right. You can either reply by unmuting yourself, or you can write the answers in the chat box. Right?
Here's the brain teaser. A rooster is on the roof of a barn facing east. The wind is blowing to the west at 10 miles per hour. The rooster lays an egg. Which direction does the egg roll? If you want, you can pause the video and think it over.
Okay, I'm going to replay this just in case anybody has any
We could not able to hear properly.
Okay, fine. So what I'll do is I'll just can I tell what they're saying in the audio? My voice is proper, right? Okay. So basically, a brain teaser. There is a rooster, okay, who is on the top of a barn. The rooster is facing east direction, and there the rooster then lays an egg, okay, and there is wind blowing at 10 miles per hour, at 10 miles per hour from the west. Which direction will the egg go in?
Dimple, I would like to see the day when egg will, rooster will start laying egg.
Ah, nice one. Good one. Good one. All right. So everybody. Okay, that is right. That is the answer.
The answer?
There is no egg. Because the rooster does not lay eggs.
Roosters are male. Did you get it right?
Okay, that is right. The rooster does not lay eggs because. All right, teachers.
Back to the east, the west side.
What? Back to?
Imagine if Samarat said and rooster is an egg to the eastern side.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I think that brings us to the end of this quiz that I had. Drum roll, because the winners are all of the teachers, because we don't like to partialize between all of you, like you don't like to. Okay. I hope everybody had fun, and I really hope that this does not affect me in any way ahead. But yes, I just
Your
hope that
internal marks.
yes,
your
I
internal
hope
marks
my
are
internal
in-
marks are not in danger or anything. This was just meant as a fun activity, and we tried to do something different.
See, even I don't differentiate among our students, so you don't worry. Your
Correct.
marks are
Thank you,
absolutely safe.